Hello everyone and welcome to Java programming tutorial number 3. This application will read two integers or numbers typed by user at the keyboard, compute their sum and displace it. This program will keep track of the numbers entered by the user at the keyboard and calculates them later on the program. The program will remember the numbers entered by the user in the computer's memory and access the data through program elements called variables. So let's start writing the first program. Before we start, we need first to import a class scanner. So we're gonna write import java dot util dot scanner. Let's start writing our script now. First, we need to create a scanner to obtain input from the command window. So we're going to start scanner input is equal to new scanner open parenthesis system dot in close the parenthesis and semicolon. Okay, so I misspelled system. Okay, system. So what is a scanner? So a scanner enables a program to read data. The data can be strings or numbers. Well, the source of the data can come from many sources, in our case from keyboard. The expression new creates a scanner object that reads characters typed by the user at the keyboard, and system in enables the application to read bytes of information typed by user. Now we have to declare variables to store integers. So first I'm going to write int number one, number one, and stands for number one. We can write the whole number, but I'm just writing this n number one, and number two. Gonna add the number two. It's gonna do capital N for all of them, and okay, int sum. So the sum of number one gonna add the sum of number one and number two. So, so this is gonna be the first number to add, and then this one gonna be second number to add, and it's gonna be sum of n1 plus n number 2. Now we have to prompt the user for input. So prompting the user for input. So we're gonna use the system out print to display the message. For example, enter first integer. System dot out dot print enter first integer. Then once we ask the user to enter the first integer, we need to obtain an int as input from the user. So we're going to do number one is equal to input dot next int open and close parentheses and semicolon. So this will read the first number from the user. So now we will be prompting the user to enter the second number as well. So we're going to do system dot out dot print open parenthesis enter second integer. Now the same thing, number 2 is equal to input dot next and close semicolon. Now we have to use variables in calculation. So first we're going to do sum is equal to number 1 plus number 2. So what this does is gonna add these two numbers, then store a total number in the total in this sum over here. So add the numbers, then store total in sum. So it's gonna calculate those two numbers, gonna add it, and gonna store in this variable over here. It's called sum. Okay, and so this assignment, this assignment statement calculate the sum of variables number 1, number 2, and assign the result of variable sum by using the assignment operator equal. So the equal sign doesn't mean the sum is equal to number 1, number 2, but what it means is the sum gets the value of number 1 and number 2. Now we need to display the result of calculation. We're using a method system out printf to display the sum. So it's going to be system.out.printf. So printf, the sum is percentage d \n sum. Okay, and this will display the results. So the format specifier percentage d is placeholder for an integer value, in this case the value of sum. The letter d stands for decimal integer. The method printf then will display sum is and followed by the value of sum. We don't display this sum if close the will be followed by the value of sum, whatever number the user will enter. So you're gonna run the method. So we're gonna ask first to enter the first number. It's gonna say please. You're gonna say enter first number. Gonna be 5. Enter second number, gonna be 7, and the sum is 12. And this is it for now, and thank you for watching.